Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can apply a coupon code on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, search section, and lastly right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections or all of your playlists. Right here, you can expand your library. And if you go right here to the top right corner, you're going to find your notifications, your friend activity, and right here, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can access your account settings. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to your settings, and lastly, log out from your account. So right now, go ahead and click on account, and then this will take you to this page on your browser. So once you're here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account. If you scroll a little bit down, here you're going to find account, payments, and lastly, right here, you're going to find security and privacy and help. Here under payment, you're going to find order history, saved payment cards, and lastly, activated code. So basically guys, in order to use or redeem a code, all you need to do guys is click on activate a code. Then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find this little bar. Just go ahead and click on it, then type your code. Make sure the code is correct. Enter the pin located on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code printed on the store receipt. Go ahead and check I'm not a robot. Then go ahead and click on continue. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.